divide 976 by 8 in a long division method. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 8 times 2 is 16. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 8 times 2 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 976 divided by 8 is 122. So this much for today and thanks for watching.